Did you take it off?
Kyle has a genetic disorder called SYNGAP1. We make these videos to show what our lives are like living with multiple disabilities and to help other families like ours feel less alone.
Hi everyone, I'm Kelly and this is my son Kyle. I wanted to make a Christmas video and I've heard of Vlogmas, which is where some YouTubers post a video every day of December leading up to Christmas. So I thought about it for a second and then didn't think about it anymore after that. There is no way I could pull that off. So instead, we give you our Christmas season snapshots.
Kaylee and I decorated our house for Christmas after Thanksgiving. As you'll notice, we don't have a Christmas tree. I haven't put up a tree in more than 5 years, and I get mixed reactions when I mention it to someone. Some are shocked, and some are envious. I always assure people that Christmas still comes whether we have a tree or not. I simply don't like storing a tree, I don't want to deal with a live one, and I don't enjoy the whole process of putting one up. But I'm not a Scrooge. Instead, we make our house look Christmassy without one. Jesse and I took Kyle to Bass Pro Shops for a little Christmas shopping for his papa, who loves to fish. Kyle's grandparents take him to Bass Pro every once in a while, so Jesse and I enjoy taking him here to shop. This is what Kyle wants for Christmas. For $8,899. Kyle, I don't think so.
You want me to step on the gas?
You want one of these, don't you? Look, Kyle, look.
Our family's favorite Christmas cookie is the peanut blossom, and Kaylee has been helping me every year since she was just a few years old. I like to make the super easy peanut blossoms with only a few ingredients. 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 egg. Kaylee and one of her cousins enjoyed decorating a gingerbread house together this week. Kaylee, want to be an architect one day?
No.
Kyle's coming to check it out. Checking it out, Kyle? What are they doing?
You should be able to say.
What are they doing, buddy?
Looks like Kyle's reading.
It does look like it. He could look. He recognizes some of those words.
One more time.
What are they doing, Kyle? They're building a gingerbread house.
No, it looks like a stick. I feel like it's not going to be. I feel like if it's not like edible.
Oh, what do you think, buddy? Jesse begins to count down in late October to the release of Eggnog. Our ultimate favorite is from UDF, but we decided to do an eggnog taste test this year. We made a trip to Jungle Gems, which is a unique grocery shopping experience in our area. Most of the time, Kyle enjoys a trip to the jungle, and he especially did on this particular day. Which one is that? Is that Greece? Let's go to Greece. There's different little rooms here at Jungle Gyms for different areas of the world, and Kyle likes to look at the signs and then go in and out. What's the next one? Where's the next one? Scandinavia. Go, Kyle, go. I'll get the cart in a second. Look, there's Spain. He just goes in and out. We can't really look at stuff and browse when we're with Kyle. He's going into the little teeny tiny movie theater.
They changed it.
Did they?
Have 2 seats on each side?
I think so. It's an itty bitty theater that tells the story of Jungle Gyms. The little theater seats.
Been watching a
That's
story?
where we live. The bunk beds are so high.
Kyle, look, there's more rooms down there. Look, there's France. Oh.
Seafood, all the things our customers were asking.
This is
I
his
went shopping at
6th
Jungle Gyms
or 7th
some
time
years. I
in.
enjoyed myself. I work 80
Points
hours
to the
a week
sign.
over there I am playing shopping cart bingo, where you pay 3 or 4 of a kind on your registered ticket.
He sits down and then he tells Jesse to
I
sit
put
down.
this story together to let you know we're not a big corporation. We start on the bottom and work our way up. And
And then
if
he
you young
rocks a
people
little
out there
bit,
have an
then he
idea or
gets
a
up,
dream,
claps,
don't be
does it
afraid
again.
to go for it. If you get knocked down, pick yourself up again and keep on going. If I can do it, you can too. And just believe in yourself, and your dream will come true.
Jesse, how many times would he do this if we let him?
I don't know. We'll find out.
Okay, what does the eggnog taste test include?
Oh.
We've got
Hartzler's Dairy. Ober. Is it?
Oberweis?
Don't they pronounce it W as a V?
Oberweis.
Oh,
Or-
Oberweis.
or Oberweis?
Oberweis. Oberweis. Deluxe Old Fashioned CF Burger Creamery Eggnog. Southern Comfort Traditional Alcohol Free Eggnog.
Yes.
Do you think any of them will beat UDF?
No.
Maybe.
I think UDF's the best.
UDF is my all-around favorite. We got some fancy players tonight. Comfort, carry on.
It was what? Thumbs down?
Compared to UDF, not even close.
Really?
It tastes
Weird.
it's got a weird spiciness, a little bit of an off taste.
Yeah. I like UDF better, but it's not bad.
Oh, that might be the worst eggnog I've ever had.
Dad, it's good.
It's still good.
Yeah.
It's terrible.
It's
Dad.
terrible.
For eggnog?
Dad, you're being over dramatic.
No, no.
Yes,
You'll
you
see.
are. No, it's not the best, but it's not terrible.
It's not terrible. It's not UDF, but I like it. Are you an eggnog snob?
I am an eggnog snob, 100%. You can just pour this down the drain here.
Dad, stop. Oh, I thought you're.
All right. Next
one
up
smells-
is,
This one smells better.
okay.
CF Burger Creamery. Traditional eggnog. Well, that smells better.
That's
This
what I
might
said.
be- This might be on something here.
I like UDF better, but it's better than that one, and it's not as thick.
Not as thick as the first.
Much better than Southern Comfort. It's subtle.
You sound like a professional.
It's got a more balanced spice. It's creamy, it's sweet. Yeah. It's a winner. That's a good one.
I'll have to agree with you on this one.
Yes.
All right, my turn to try it.
Yeah, I like it better.
I still like the first one though.
Better than this one?
No,
If so, you're out of this.
No.
Your opinion doesn't count anymore. So.
this one is better than this one, but I did like this one.
Yeah, something's wrong with your taste buds.
What's next?
Obervis.
Oberweis.
Obervis.
Mine sounded good. Oberweis.
That was good. Obervis.
Oberweis.
Or in America, Oberweis.
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 Smells creamy.
It smells creamy. How can something smell creamy?
You can sense the denseness of the liquid through your mouth.
Tastes like eggnog.
They've all tasted like eggnog.
There's not that much of a difference between them.
Or
That
let's-
one's not got much spice to it. It's kind of real subtle, thick, creamy. Not a whole lot of nutmeg or whatever the spices are.
So do you like this the best so far?
Ooh,
It's
That's
delicious.
this one's good.
It's just a little bit off on the spice.
I feel like this one had the most spice so far.
Next up is the Hartzlers.
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 Get it right.
Enunciate, Kelly.
Hartzlers.
Oberweis. So funny. Smell like
All
eggnog.
right, let's see. Smells thick and spicy.
Smells thick. Smells
But
smooth.
you can tell by smelling it, it's going
Smells
to coat your
chocolate.
taste buds.
This is entertaining.
I like this one the best.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
We have a winner.
Expensive
But the question is,
one. Whoa.
do you like it better than UDF?
No.
Do you like it better than UDF?
Well, I need some UDF here.
I know, we almost stopped and got it, but we didn't,
Let's
obviously.
I'm going to say, first of all, these three are all winners.
Yeah, this one was good. Really good. I don't have all the colorful words that Dad uses.
Merry Christmas. You just gotta say that it smells thick and creamy.
It smells thick and creamy.
Yum.
Oberweis is the most like a melted vanilla milkshake. So probably if you don't like Eggnog. You probably would like that eggnog.
Of course, we must visit a drive-through light show several times during the season. We've taken Kyle to this one every year since he was a year old.
Here we go. Yay, are you clapping? What do you think, Kyle? Let's see what's on the other side. Wow, there's lots. More. Kyle say more. More lights. Pretty, aren't they, Kyle? There's so much to look at. We hope you have a great holiday season, and we will release another video the day after Christmas. Should I put it on? What do you think? Does that look good? Do you want to put it on? Where do you want it? Do you want it on your head or my head? Your head? Okay. You like wearing it? The Santa hat? Can you say bye everybody? Say bye. Bye. Merry Christmas.